Welcome back, guys. I'm Joy O'Keefe, and it has been a hot minute since I have posted anything on here. We've had some major life changes. I will do a video explaining everything, but for today, I wanted to share with you this project that I did. I had this tray. It was very sad looking. It just needed to be made over. So I spray painted it black. I won't show you the whole thing yet. You'll have to wait till the end, but it's just a plain old square tray. Spray painted it black. Still kind of worn looking, not too bad though. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing I did is I had this thicker brown leather. I cut it into strips. So right here, I'm using my hole punch to create the holes to put these screws in because they are going to be handles. So I measured where I wanted the handles, drilled the holes in the tray. Here I am screwing in the screws through the leather handles into the tray. So I had John just cut some legs for me, but I think I'm going to do something different because I put the leather handles on there and I have this loose leather. I thought leather, like, so I'm trying to figure out what color to paint the legs. I don't want black and I don't want any of the other paint that I do have. I really want this color, but why not do leather? So I cut little feet. Plus I want them to show, and the issue is this is very deep. So to put these in here, I mean, there's no point. You can't see. And then it's right here, I know it's a little tall. I don't know, it's just not what I want. So we're gonna do this, and we're gonna put these just barely on the inside, but I'm gonna cover them with leather. So this glue is, it's called Yes Paste. I bought this, oh my goodness, probably a long time ago. I'd say 15 years maybe. It's still good. A gal that I worked for, she owned an art supply store, and she said this is like the best. Very, very strong, and I've never had any issues with it. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I run out. I guess I'll have to see if I can find it. Anyway. That might be a bit much. I think it's gonna dry great. All right, so now is the time to show you the finished tray. So as you see, the tray is just a big old square. I added the handles, the leather covered wood legs or feet. I guess technically they're feet because they're short. Well, that's it for this week, guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week.